Today's episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by Easy Pour, a leader in production, speed, and quality in the curb and gutter paving industry since 1967. Learn more at easypour.com. Welcome to the Weekly Iron for Tuesday, July 1st. It's been 10 years since Non-CDL fuel and lube solutions were first introduced to the market, helping contractors bring large bulk quantity fluids to job sites without requiring a CDL or hazmat. Frank Raison takes a deeper dive into these technologies to see how they help contractors improve their fleet service capabilities, but also save time and get more out of their staff on hand. John Deere has introduced upgrades to 3 of its P-tier backhoe loaders, the 320, the 410, and the 710. These upgrades include a larger cab, better visibility, new cameras, new lighting, and improvements to the stabilization system. And in the age of right to repair, Caterpillar has introduced a new series of blogs and videos. Now, you won't be able to rebuild your own engine, but it will show you basic functions around installing upgrade kits and performing PM. Have a great week out there, be safe, and we'll see you on the next Weekly Iron.